Okay, so it says using the contents of J12 table HTM. So we need to set the table width to 100. So we need to get the J12 table. Or have I done that? Table 3, J12 table 3, sorry. Right, so I'm going to close that one. And I'm going to open up table 3. Okay, going to put that underneath. Right, and then set the table to the width 100% of the window. Right. So, hang on a sec. Make sure I've actually got the table 3 selected. Yeah, specify width, percent, 100. Apply. Okay, you can see it's moved a bit because it was pretty much quite wide anyway. Right, now, so it says, replace table 3 anchor here with an anchor called combi. This anchor is not visible in a browser. Okay, so where does it say anchor here? Oh, here we are. Right, so what you do is you just delete this. Just going to move this down. And up here, you don't type anything. So what I did was earlier, just got rid of my text. So you just go to Insert, Bookmark, and just call it Combi. And it won't appear in the browser. Okay, so there it is. Now, next thing. So, we've done our the episode. Create a hyperlink from the text combination holidays to the table 1 anchor called Combi. Okay, so from combination holidays. Okay, so remember it's combination holidays in table 1. Okay, so right, so it says, sorry, I actually started doing the other task and realised I didn't even press record. Right, to create a hyperlink from the text combination holidays to table 1 in an anchor called Combi. So we made the anchor called Combi. Now, if we go to table 1, you can see that there's the navigation bar here for combination holidays, and it's here. So what we need to do is we need to make this a hyperlink. So right click, hyperlink, and then go to place in this document and select Combi. Okay, so the next task. Now, what we do is, I've already done this, sorry, but I had to undo it all because I was talking to myself, realised I didn't press record. So it says, in the text, return to the top of the page by clicking on this link. Make only the words clicking on this link a hyperlink called top. Now, please do not, and you know I make my mistakes. Anyone that has seen all my videos knows I make mistakes. And we all do it, but be careful with what you read, because some people, they just click the whole thing and make it a hyperlink. It only wants these words by, just double check it. Okay, clicking on this link. Okay, so clicking on this link, you can return to the top of the page. So just those words. Okay, because if you do all of them, you're going to lose the mark, even though you have the skill. So there we go, top. Okay, now, next task. So it says, replace the text date and time here with the date and the time. Okay. Now, I'm just assuming basically you just type in the date and the time here. Okay, so I'm just going to type in, 28th of the 3rd, 2016, and time is 21:49. Okay, PM. So just doing this before I go out for a run. And next, so what we're going to do now is replace the words zip wire in table 3 of most appropriate image. So the next thing is just simply inserting images. So we look for the word zip wire. Oh, here we are. It's right in front of me. Sorry. This looks like a navigation bar, funny enough. Right, so the most, so it says the most appropriate images from those obtained in step 4. So let's click back in there. So go to insert, picture from file, and you can always select to see the images bigger so you can actually see what they are. So you scroll down until you find the most appropriate image. So here we are. This obviously is it. Insert. Don't worry about alternative text, and there we go. Don't worry about the size and all that, because I don't doubt they're going to get you to change that. So the next one is scuba diving. So I'm just going to check these. So scuba diving, most appropriate image. So it's just these next two. Okay, so scuba diving, insert, picture from file. Suppose the one under the water would be the scuba diving one. There we go. Okay. Press OK. There we are. Right. Now create a hyperlink from this image to point to the file J12div.html, which is to open a new window called Under the Sea. Okay, so right click, hyperlink, and go to existing web page. So what did they say it was again? Sorry, they said it was J12div.html. So J12div.html. Right, I've probably passed it, haven't I? Oh, here we are. Right, and it needs to open up in a new window. So we go target frame, new window. So it's underscore. Oh, sorry, new window. There we go. So there's the underscore there. And it's, what did they say? Under C. Okay. So under C. There we are. Press OK. And now that's hyperlinked. Right. So next step. Replace the word skiing with table 3, which is the most appropriate image from those obtained in step 4. Okay, so we need to find the word skiing with the most appropriate image. So delete skiing, go to insert, picture from file, and we've got to find the most appropriate image of skiing. Okay, so, well, I would go the pose with this one, which looks like a bunch of ski equipment. Press OK. Right, next one. So scroll down. Replace the words off-road with the most appropriate image, off-road driving. Right, let's see if we can find. Well, maybe I suppose that's it. Bit odd, but okay. There we are. Right, and well, it's driving and it's not on the road. Okay. So, right, replace the word contact us in table 3 as the most appropriate image. Right, so I suppose that would be the ugly, old-fashioned yellow phone. Okay, so that we've seen. Press OK. And there we have it. Right. Okay, now create a hyperlink from the image to send an email message to this. Right. Okay, this could be a bit of a... Ah, there we are. I can highlight it. Right, I'm going to highlight that because it's quicker. Okay, with the subject line extreme adventure. So from that image, right click, hyperlink, okay, and it's an email address. So the subject, so there's the email address, okay, and the subject line is extreme adventure. Okay, have I spelled that right? But always check your spelling. No, I didn't. I put an A. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why I've done that. There we are. Right, done. Okay, and that's done. Right, next thing. It says make sure that all the images are 120 pixels wide. Maintain aspect ratio of each image. This is so easy to do. Okay, so right click, picture properties. Appearance. Okay, so keep aspect ratio, width 120 pixels. Done, that one. Right click, so they're obviously going by the first picture. Appearance. Okay, aspect ratios kept 120. And then they're all going to start to look the same size. So this one, I think maybe already is 120, but you change it anyway. There we go, it's fine. This one, 120. Always check all of them because they could simply do one that might be 121. You've lost marks for that. So this one's probably 120, but you know what? I'm checking it anyway. I'm doing it anyway. There we go. And it takes what? Less than a minute. Okay. So better to be safe than sorry, guys. Right. Now I've got less than 3 minutes. So let's see if I can do something else. Save the page in your web folder, open it up in the web browser, print this page, print a copy of the HTML source. Right, so it's already saved in my folder, so I'm just going to go save. Now, here it is. So if you go to preview in browser, always select Internet Explorer. Okay, I never use Internet Explorer, but I do for this. All right, as you can see, look, it's sending me stuff already that I don't want to know about. Okay, so now, what they want you to do is print off a copy of the page, so you send it to the printer. Then they want you to print, so they want you to print it from the browser, okay, from the browser. So you right click, okay, and you just print. Okay, so I don't have a printer, this is my computer at home, all right, and then they want you to print a copy of the code, okay, so the HTML source. You right click, and you say view source, and there it is. Okay, you send a copy of this to the printer, you go file and you go print, and they know it's yours because you edited it and your name's on it. I just had my name just there. There we are, look, name and candidate. They're looking for all of this. They're looking for your file path, they're looking for everything. Okay, so that's that one done. Right, click on the next video because we're going to move on to what I'm assuming is spreadsheets.